Welcome aboard our new Boston Whaler 24 Vantage. This is an awesome layout for a dual console by Boston Whaler. It is powered by a Mercury 300 V8, engine color in black. We've got rod holders in the back. This boat does come with a freshwater system, so we've got a freshwater wand for washing things off at the stern of the boat. We've got our standard live well on board, as well as a raw water system on the inside of the cockpit. Bow cushion bolsters around the entire side of the boat. We've got this really nice stern cushion and backrest, so when you're not fishing or utilizing the back and want to do it for seating, really comfortable backrest that easily stows away. Very solid piece there. We've got a premium upgraded sound system. We've also got this beautiful hardtop with black painted stanchions for it, and the underside is painted to match the hull of the boat, which is the light gray color. We also have the fishing rod holders on the uprights for the hardtop. Moving forward, we've got this really unique design for a portside lounge layout. So Boston Whaler's got this trigger system. You just pull the trigger and adjust it to where you want to sit. Smart thing that Whaler did was add padding on the head door, so you can really use it as a full lounge seat. There's also storage underneath both items here. Lots of cup holders throughout, as well as USB charging on the inside of the gunnels. And the head here. Nice big door, easy to get in and out. Also a sink inside there, and that is a pump out head. At the helm, we've got our Simrad touchscreen display. JL Audio, again, the upgraded premium audio system here. We've got Lenco trim tabs with a LED readout, and our Simrad VHF. Leather wrapped steering wheel is a really nice touch as well. We've got storage underneath the helm. It's actually dedicated storage for the bow table. So the stanchion goes in there as well as the bow table. That doesn't move around at all. Whaler adds in a nice logo 5-gallon bucket. And that's a dedicated spot for the bucket in case you wanted to use it as trash. We got a little door right there that fills right into the bucket. There's also access to those tables from the front seat. So when you're up in the bow, this seat folds up all the way so you can put in fishing rods if you wanted to, and just easier access for the bow table. Storage underneath the center of the boat. And then up here we've got our bow filler cushion, which is on top of the table. So this comes up, put your stanchion in, you've got your bow table, drop down, use it as a bow filler cushion. Stainless steel grab rails, cup holders, USB chargers, again, makes it really convenient no matter where you are on the boat to bring your beverage with you and charge your devices. We've got rod holders here that also act as the poles for your bow sunshade. Really neat option to have on there. You've got the hard top, you want to cover the whole boat on a hot sunny day, put the bow shade up as well. And you've also got the optional bow ladder here. So we've got our anchor windlass and bow ladder. So if you wanted to go bow up to the sandbar, hop on and off the boat, do that right here. And we also have our freshwater wash down. So if you got sand on your feet or you're bringing chairs from the beach and want to wash them off before you get on the boat, freshwater wash down right here. So really awesome layout by Boston Whaler here on this 24 Vantage. It's a heck of a boat to have out on the Sound. 2-foot seas, 3-foot seas. This will get you across and back very safely, comfortable ride. It's a beautiful boat. We'd love you to come down and see it at MarineMax Westbrook.